We chose StraightUp Solar to tackle multiple locations because we got the feel that they were capable of handling a larger project, and to us, deploying on 3 locations systems this size was a large project. They seem very capable from an engineering standpoint all the way through an installation perspective to get that done. After seeing how that project went, smoothly, communication was great. Whenever I subsequently moved and had a residence without solar, it just made perfect sense to circle back to StraightUp and deal with the same team there to get that solar installed. With the business, the power supply is very critical for us to provide internet service. So a lot of going solar was to give us options, and that all our eggs weren't in the basket of the local power provider. And then obviously the incentives are such that it was a very attractive proposition from a cost standpoint. We're not spending $1,500 a month on power at each location, so we're able to take those limited resources and invest it deploying internet to more places where we would have it tied up and paying for power. And then from the home, same thing, residential side, just the savings, not seeing as high of a power bill each month. StraightUp Solar has been great since day one, from the time they approached us from a sales perspective, all the way through the initial design, the installation, and then service after the sale. No doubt I would recommend StraightUp Solar to other business owners or like-minded individuals. A big concern of mine getting into business with anybody that you don't know is, are they trustworthy? Will they get the job done? Will they stick to the installation timelines? StraightUp Solar just checked all the boxes for us. They were honest, hardworking, got things done in the correct amount of time. I'd have no reason not to suggest them to somebody looking for solar.